they finally switched the bulbs out. Good deal. Team Deathmatch round 2. You can actually see back here now. Yay! Ooh, that sounds nice. Brr. Ooh. Attention please, attention please.
I've been debating wearing it here since.
It's so cute.
Yeah, she's so good. Literally on the brink of life. I wonder if they're
You guys, I assume we're pushing right.
Joke's on you to sign a liability waiver.
I'll push left.
Darn. Liability waiver.
Hit! Oh, you fucker. Dead man, walk in! Damn it. Oh, you motherfucker. I can't believe you got me like that. Todd, you and me are going to have some words after this game.
Watch it.
I don't know how he got in. He got me too. You dead? You're dead now. I was coming for your ass. Keep pushing up. I think we got it cleared all the way up, but I think it's clear all the way up, but I'll make sure nobody else comes in from here. I think they're in the breaching room. Copy that. I got them on lock if they try to cross. Hit. Dead man, walk in. I am learning some good spots. You're down?
Yeah. Try to rush up the center.
We have the front of this room or no? Yeah?
I don't see anybody here anymore. I'm not just surprised.
Yeah, fuck it. Let's go. At the end of the coffee house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, at the corner here. He crossed.
Grenade out!
Damn. Somebody crossed again. So there's probably one guy. Okay, we probably got one to the left and we got one to the right for
I
sure.
wish I had a grenade on me, man.
Alright, one enemy's down. I mean, we could try if you want. Hit. Oh, right in the dick. Dead man walking. I got it. Hi. Yep, hold on, I'm seeing shadows though on the right.
Hey! Once, please!
I shot 3 times, dude, sorry. I'll count it on my camera. That sounds like it's coming from the right. I gotta be running out of ammo. Shit. You still over here, bud? I think we're clear in the front. We're clear up front if you want to go.
You're on this building I tried to push up to right after you got hit. There's a guy just waiting there. You got a BB smashed right into the side of your... Nice hit right there.
It's like stuck on there too.
Trophy BB.
I'm gonna leave it.
Excuse me, crossing.
Damn, that's pretty impressive.
Well, we're pushing up pretty far. We got a whole line of guys right here.
We're clear on the corner as far as I can see.
I'm suppressing this side. Oh, fuck.
You good?
It's hard to maneuver with this fucking mag.
I'm sure. But it has to hold like an ass load of ammo.
Only 160, it's a mid-cap.
Wow, really?
Yeah, bud? Yeah.
I almost shot that
I got it for me. That's the whole point. Yeah, those guys on the door down there have it pretty well.
The breaching room. Oh, we got somebody that just moved up on the corner. He's down actually.
Is he?
Yeah, he got hit.
Oh, no. Two in the door.
No, yeah, I'm not talking about that guy. I'm talking about the dude who moved right up to the corner. So what you're telling me is we can't cross and go out of this room.
Not really. These guys have it locked down over here. They have to kill him. We can't do shit right now.
Okay.
We got a guy on that building, this building, this building. Oh, he just got killed. We got a guy on this building.
Spoke too soon. Whoops.
Oh, he just got hit. Guys over here.
Okay. I got it. If he comes in, he's getting a shot.
I'll cover you straight down.
Okay. Well, if I get taken, you know what happened.
I'm getting the run.
Oh, there's one on the coffee building in the back
This guy's
corner.
covering us right here going this way. Good shoot. Good job.
I think I got him. Nope, I did not get him, and he's got me pinned. He won the corner. God damn it. Yeah, he's shining the light on me. I can't get him. He's right on the corner. Like on the back corner.
Oh.
Yeah, he's not that close.
I got a little excited. Careful of this side back here.
Yeah, I just tried peeking and he just tried shooting me. I'm just gonna wait right here and bang kill the first motherfucker that tries to come
Careful,
in.
Tika, they got a line right down to you. They're shooting this way.
Yes, they are.
Actually, hang on. Yeah, they're there.
Oh yeah, I could have told you that. They're like, no, we're not falling for that bullshit no more. You're just fucking with them now. Oh, that's not good. You better get that line back in.
Oh, it's not an AG in right now.
Oh.
Luckily, his battery's about to blow though. So we start seeing fire. It's just glorious Russian engineering at its finest.
Nice.
They're gonna be straight down the two doors down there.
And there's one on the back corner of this green building. It'll be on the left corner of the green building.
If anything, I've seen nobody go that other side of the field. This is like crazy. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, dude. They're hitting this fucking thing here and bouncing right into me. Ow.
Sorry, man. Good news is I won that corner.
Good push, Cody. Good push. I love you, buddy.
I won the corner back, so he's gone.
You guys over here just got smoked.
Man.
I told him not to see. He's like, don't do it. Oh, is this what we're supposed to be looking for the objective?
The objective is to kill the bad guys. Oh, you got two on this corner now. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, hit. God damn it. Good shot. I'm hit. I got greedy. The man coming out. That's very good. Let's keep going up, guys. Let's go. I'm back. Oh, he's still at that corner. He's still at the back corner of the green building. And there's probably two of them there. There was one I was up here and I got killed. shit, they're moving up. Here, bud. If they come in the door, you just... Oh, come on, you motherfucker. I got you. You! I got him. There's still guys right on the other side here. I'll take it. I'll take it. God damn, this shit's gonna hurt. I got it. Okay. They still got a guy on that back corner.